How to do matrix effect with Fusion in Davinci Resolve. Go to the Effects panel and click on Effects. Drag and drop a Fusion composition into Timeline. Move the playhead above the composition, click on it, and go to the Fusion page. Now in the Effects panel, click on Templates and search for Matrix. Drag a matrix node and attach it to the media out. Now we have this matrix-like effect. With the matrix node selected, open up Inspector panel. Here, increase density if you want more columns, and increase depth to add more depth to the effect. Now double-click on the matrix node to open its group. In the group, select the text node and in the inspector click on Modifiers tab. Here type all the numbers and letters you want to appear in the effect. Also increase randomness value so you don't get similar columns. Now shrink the group and go back to the edit page. Now we have a matrix effect that we can use. Move the composition to the above track. Drag a title into Timeline below the composition. Select the title and in the inspector change its text and properties based on your needs. Now click on Settings tab and scroll down under Composite Settings. Change Composite Mode to Alpha. Now select the composition and set its composite mode to foreground. And now the matrix effect appears in the text. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.